When precision meets innovation, the VOLTER ACP Series redefines efficiency in aluminum composite panel processing. Built for professionals who demand excellence, this range features dual high-performance Hiteco spindles, ensuring seamless operation without the need for tool changes. Our proprietary VOLTER control software, displayed on a user-friendly touchscreen monitor, makes operation smooth and intuitive. The machine's robust, thermally stabilized steel frame guarantees long-term durability and precision, even under the most demanding industrial conditions. Equipped with a tool-length sensor, it ensures precise and consistent cuts, while the advanced vacuum table system provides exceptional material hold-down for flawless results. Specifically designed for aluminum composite panels, the ACP Series is the perfect solution for creating building facades and architectural designs. With its dual spindles working alternately, the machine operates continuously, maximizing productivity and efficiency. Whether it's cutting intricate patterns or delivering high-precision results, the ACP Series adapts to the needs of modern fabrication with ease. Discover how the ACP Series can transform your production line. Call sales today for a personal consultation or visit our website today to configure your machine and take the first step toward precision and innovation.